Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Hello, you. Today let me introduce you the Mounting Dream TV wall mount, swiveling, tilting, extendable TV mount for most 66 until 140 centimeters. These are 26 until 55 inches. LED, LCD, and OLED TVs up to VESA standard 400 x 400 millimeters and 27 kilogram. This fully actuated TV mount is suitable for most televisions up to 27 kilograms, 26 inches until 55 inches. I think mine is 50 inches. I will install it. With VESA mounting holes, spaces from 75 to 75 millimeters to 400 to 400 millimeters. This is a wide range, and the most flat screens will have this VESA standard on board. It is easy to install, complete accessory, easy installation with neat instruction in 5 languages: English, German, French, Espanol, and Italiano, and included all hardware in pre-labeled pockets. ±3 degrees after installation adjustment allows perfect TV leveling. It is multifunctional, improving the viewing experience. Viewing become more comfortable. The glare can be reduced by the tilt of 5 degrees up and 15 degrees down. The TV can be pivoted right or left according to your seat position. Plus and minus 90 degrees at maximum screen wide 60 centimeters. It extends to 370 millimeters and pull back to 80 millimeters to move your display flexibility. Ultra durable and secure. Tested with 4 times charging capacity. Robot welding technology makes a whole TV mount stable and safe. This is awesome. It is really easy to install, and it has a good shape. It will get you in a new direction of viewing experience. Yeah, really nice. I like it so much. And it is for a so big range of TVs. And it's not so expensive. And it's better to get a mount for your TV because it is flexible. If you have only the feeds of your mount, it is static on your TV rack, for example, on your furniture, and it will need space on the bottom. But if you use a TV wall mount like this, it is better for you. It is flexible. You can install it onto your wand at the wall. You can use it on wooden walls or concrete walls. I will install it on concrete. The only thing you have to do is search the right spaces. Then install the right spaces with the mount, with the TV mount, and find the right holes. Then drill the screw in it, and then the mount is on your flat screen. The mount arm, you have to install on the wall. For this, you will use the plugs and the 4 screws. Then you have to dock in the TV wall mount easily by using hooks. And after this, you can use 2 screws to support it or secure it. Easy installation, and then everything's done. It will hold your flat screen into position. You can make a flexible rotation with it. You can bend it a little bit out. You can pull it back. That is really nice and flexible, and it is a nice quality, really nice quality. It will a durable thing for you if you use it for a couple of years. I like it really much, and the screen we are going to install now is, I think, 50 inches, and it's an LED curved screen, so you can see how it works. The installation with the spacers are 2 times. You can use you need a 1 level with the spacers, then job's done. If you have 1 level, then you can install it on the TV wall mount arm easily. I can handle this, so you can handle this twice. Easy rider. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Here's the wall. We are going to install it. This is a flat screen we are going to install on this Mounting Dream TV wall mount. Yeah, everything is on board. The only thing you have to need is a drill and a hammer. Let's do this now. Let's roll. Soon.